Welcome to the instructional guide for the Quality Output Checklist and Content Assessment, also known as the QuoCCA. This video focuses on question 5. Question 5. Was the sample size based on a formal sample size calculation done prior to starting the study? If so, was the planned sample size adhered to? Sample size refers to the number of participants or samples in a research study. It's called sample size as it is only a representation of the target population. Sample size calculations are determined by the researchers prior to collection of data. This is a formal calculation based on effect size, data variability, statistical power, and threshold for statistical significance. It's typically mentioned in the methods section. Calculation and adherence to the sample size is important to ensure the study has sufficient statistical power to generate precise estimates of the investigated effect. This is essential from a participation burden and safety perspective, as it ensures that the study can help answer the specified research question. It's also essential from a research quality perspective, as it increases the likelihood that genuine effects are estimated precisely. Too large a sample size is needless and unethical, and too small a sample size may be unreliable and therefore also unethical. Unfortunately, across biomedical and clinical sciences, statistical power is commonly too low. For question 5a, sample size calculations, the answers include NA, no sample size required, or no, a sample size calculation was not performed, or yes, a sample size calculation was performed. For question 5b, adherence to the sample size, answers include no, the sample size was not adhered to, or yes, the sample size was adhered to. Sample size calculations are not always warranted or possible due to the design of the study. Therefore, care must be taken when reporting and interpreting such results. Correct calculation and adherence to sample size can be seen here. Here is one. 750 were needed and 750 were recruited. In the second, the number of participants comes first, with the calculation following. In both examples, formal calculation of sample sizes were accompanied by a significance level, power and effect size. The sample sizes were also adhered to.